Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing very well. How is this corona lockdown unlock phase treating you guys? I don't know about you guys, but of course life has changed quite a bit. Everything has changed. Our means of doing everything seems to be evolving. Everything is online and going out, having fun. The definition of having fun has only changed. Hoping that the vaccine comes very soon. I hope everyone is safe and healthy and taking all precautions. We've crossed 2500 subscribers. I'm just celebrating every little milestone and it's really great to have you all part of my channel and enjoying the content that I create. I really try and create content that is interesting and unique for you guys, and I don't want to be repetitive. I always try and make the right mix of everything. Anyway, today is a very unusual video too because it's an unusual thing for me firstly, and I want to start this in front of you guys. All my life I've been very simple, as I've always mentioned in every video of mine. I've never done makeup. Even fashion to me has been very simple and classic. I don't experiment much, and that has been a thing for me. I've been following so many of these content creators and you get to learn new things from each one of them. This digital content creation space is so good in terms of imparting knowledge, imparting new techniques, styling techniques and whatnot. One of the most common things that I see in every fashion video is accessories. And me, I have never worn any accessory like different styles of earrings, necklaces or bracelets. I've always worn simple studs in my ears. If you've seen all my previous videos, the 60, 70, 100 videos that I've ever created, you will see one thing common, that I've never changed my earrings because I've never experimented. So I realized I better do that now. I really need to start experimenting with my style. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon. So Amazon is literally like a fingertip away, one of the most used apps. I order so many things, everything from there, anything you need. The first app you open is Amazon, and I'm heavily dependent on Amazon, guys. I literally ordered from my grocery to anything for my daughter in terms of any toy, any books or anything under the sun. I wanted to order some accessories, but since I've never tried accessories, I didn't want to buy too expensive because what if they didn't suit me? They literally might go waste because I'm not that experimental. I didn't want to waste money and order accessories worth 1,000 each. So what I did was, guys, I opened Amazon and I started exploring because I know what my style is. While I want to experiment with accessories, I know I can't go too loud, and there is a certain sense of style that I have and I know what might suit me. I really didn't even look at what is in or what is in trend. I just looked at what I like. So I started looking for statement earrings, necklaces, bracelets. I majorly focused on earrings because even in Indian jewelry, guys, I prefer wearing pretty earrings. Earrings are like literally my favorite piece of jewelry. And to my surprise, there were some amazing options on it. I'd never heard of those brands or sellers, to be very honest. I know for a fact that H&M does some of the most amazing accessories, but again, every earring is priced at $799, $800. Nothing is less than that. So in this video, guys, I will be showing you guys my Amazon accessory haul. Some of this stuff I haven't opened. I'm going to be opening it in front of you guys. I'll be trying it out in front of you guys. I think in all I spent about 2100 rupees for all of this stuff, guys. So you can imagine how inexpensive stuff is on Amazon. Of course, I don't know about the quality, especially for a first timer like me. I did not want to go overboard and buy expensive stuff that I might wear once or twice. But in case I get a hang of it, I'm going to jump in and move into other brands as well. So let's see. I will link down each and every product down, so in case I do not mention the prices, guys, everything will be linked down below. Specifically wanted stuff that I could wear on an everyday basis with pants, with dresses. Let's jump into the video. I'm going to start off with the first set. I did try and order sets so that there were enough variety for me to try out. This is by a brand called Jewels Galaxy. They had this set of 6 earrings, 3 are loops and 3 are studs. Pearls seem to be really in, and I particularly love pearls. I feel they're really classy. I love white anyway, and as an accessory with gold finish or rose gold finish, I feel pearls look really pretty. Let me show you guys the first one that I really liked because it's pearl, it's small, it's lightweight and it's really pretty. If you follow me on my Instagram, I put up a story and so many of you asked me where my earrings were from. So here is where they are from. They're all from Amazon, guys. Can you see this? how beautiful this pearl one is. So guys, this is the first accessory. Look how pretty they look. I really am surprised why I've never worn accessories before, because I've just realized they change the way you look. Just look at my face. It's completely brightened up my face, the whole look of my face. I'm shocked. Why didn't I do this before? Anyway guys, better late than never. So this is the first pair that I absolutely love. Doesn't irritate me. I had very sensitive ears, and you know, every time I wore anything that was not gold or silver, I used to get a little bit of a rash or something. But I worn this the other day for dinner and it didn't give me any rash. There was no problem at all. And let me try out the others guys, because I have lots to show you. This video is going to be long. I'm going to try out these loops, which are very classic, and I think again a must have, especially if you have your hair tied or open. I think loops look really pretty. So this is the next one guys. I feel this is very, very common, I know, and a little Indianish as well. I think you can wear it with your Indian wear and it will look nice as well. But they're very pretty, they're very classic. They add that little bling that you need. I think I was always lacking this little bling. Really like these, very lightweight again, very comfortable. So guys, this is the second pair. Let's move on to the next one now. Moving on to this bigger one, which has these really small. I feel this is going to be better with Indian wear though. Wow, this is also very nice guys. These kind of stones I actually love in my Indian jewelry as well. So yeah. So this is the next one. It's really pretty. Maybe it doesn't go with the dress that I'm wearing right now, but if I wear a plain or even with Indian wear, everything actually, I think that you can really carry it off. I've just realized there's so many times you wear such simple tops, such simple clothes. You can just change your earrings and change the way you look, and that's something that's new to me guys. So out of this set, which also has studs, which are also cute, but I'm not going to try these out. The pearl ones are really pretty. I absolutely love them and I can't wait to keep styling them. I'm going to be wearing a different earring on every video of mine from now on guys. I'm so excited. This is again from the brand called Jewels Galaxy. These are super long, though I feel they are a little too much. But let's try them out and see how they look. They are so big guys, though I love long earrings. In Indian wear, definitely my favorite are the longer the better. Wow, that's not bad at all. I've only worn one, but I'm already loving it. I love pearls. They're so elegant and classy, and with all my dresses I feel this is gonna look really nice. They look quite heavy, but actually they're super lightweight. I've never worn anything like this. I love the length. I love the fact that they're like different sizes of pearls and they're really pretty. It's really elegant. I will link everything down below. For 200-250 rupees, these are a steal as an accessory to just glam up any look of yours. Okay guys, the next one is also from Jewels Galaxy. It seems like a Jewels Galaxy haul. I didn't even realize I ordered the same brand. These are the earrings that I got. These are like the horizontal kind of loops. What I really liked about them is this part as well. They're gold and they're really pretty, and I actually wore these earrings on my daughter's birthday. I wore a white dress. These just went so well with the plain white dress. Okay guys, this is how it looks. Look at this. It's so pretty and it's so elegant. Really love them. They're so lightweight. I really didn't feel like I'm wearing anything right now. It took me all my energies to unjumble this thing. This is a delicate layered chain that I ordered from Amazon again. It's got this star, a coin, and this cute things. Look at how pretty this is. So this is how it looks guys. This is the last layer. So basically it has 4 layers, and I think it's really delicate and pretty. You can wear it with a white shirt also and it will look really pretty. I really want to start wearing neck pieces, and this is my first, and I'll have to maintain it and take care of it really well, because once they jumble they take ages to open. Of the star specifically, you'll get so much of variety. I was literally overwhelmed by the amount of variety there was on Amazon. If you open a layer neck piece option, that will have like 10 different kind of designs of these 4 elements of this chain. So guys, I really like this. Next, maybe I buy a choker style thick chain or something I've seen somewhere. If I'm just wearing my studs and I wear this kind of a neck piece, it will look really pretty, and that's my next piece of jewelry for you guys. So all the elements of what I like in jewelry. This is also very lightweight. It is again from that brand called Jewels Galaxy. It's double loop and it's really pretty, and it's got pearls, so I love pearls anyway. Wow, they're really light. Look at this, guys. Again, this is the prettiest style. There's so many styles of loops out there, guys, and with pearl I think it looks really pretty. This is just transforming the way I look every time I wear a new piece of jewelry. So I have lost count of how many earrings I had ordered, but I think I'm obsessed with earrings anyway. I think the best part is that, guys, this can go with anything and everything that I wear. Like now I'm wearing a printed dress and it's going well. But these neutral colors, they just go so well with everything. Okay, guys, the next one, I don't think I really need to try it. I just wanted to buy big simple loops in various colors because I feel that is something really classic and important in your accessory collection. So I ordered these 3 options. This is silver, this is rose gold, and this is gold. I'm going to try the rose gold one and show you guys. The rest of them obviously are the same, just the color is different. These obviously are bigger than the other loops that I tried. Wow. Okay, I've never worn such big loops in my life, guys. Actually, I've never worn any loops. I love it. I love the size of this. It's looking so beautiful again. I really feel after trying this out that you can never go wrong with the classic. And I think loops have been going on since forever, and these classic loops just look so beautiful. I'm so glad I ordered 2 more colors. If you're looking to start buying accessories, first just buy these loops, guys. They're amazing. Again, I think these were priced at about 250 to 300 for 3, which is a steal. I'm surprised at the pricing of Amazon. I'll still link down everything below for you guys to straight away go and buy them. But this is the next one, and I really highly recommend this style for an accessory. I personally feel I'm the last person who's ever got into accessory because every other person has always done it. I'm just too lazy to change my earrings. After doing this, I realized that every time I wear a new outfit, I should change my earrings and it will look amazing. I'm late, but better late than never. Really like this. Okay, the next one is very different and I don't know why I ordered these. I don't know if I'm going to ever wear this because it's huge, but if I ever experiment with Indian wear, I should have something like these Chandbalis. Look at these. Oh my god, they're huge and they're so pretty. I just thought for these, when you're just wearing a simple white kurti, why not dress it up with something like this? Though when I'm looking at them, I feel they're really very big. But let's try these on. The only Indianish boho Indian kind of earrings that I've ordered is these. I feel they're very big, but I think they're really pretty as well. They are quite heavy, of course, but 3-layered. I might return this, guys, because I'm really not sure about it. But I think you should always have 1 or 2 really like heavy piece of earrings in your accessory collection to just dress up something that is so simple that only an accessory can save it. So I will still keep them because I am into experimenting lately, and this is the biggest sort of experiment I would ever do. Let me know what you guys think. I will link it down below, guys. It's so pretty and I love these easy to wear earrings. The next one actually is a hair accessory that is so famous and common. The fact that I love pearls and the fact that I do feel that I again do not do anything. I don't put any accessory on my hair. These are the pearl Tic Tac clips, big size that I got. I anyway have long hair, guys, and for times when I just want to pin it up on one side, I think this would look really pretty. Quite big. Let's see how they look. Wow, they're not bad at all. I think they're really pretty. I think ideally I would like to wear it like this with my hair on one side and just this on the back. These are really amazing as a starter accessory for your hair. Moving on to another category that is also a really big category that I have not explored in accessories, and that is bracelets. I wear this Nazariya that a lot of girls actually ask me if this is a Mangal Sutra. No, guys, this is not a Mangal Sutra. This is a Nazariya because my mother used to tell me to wear a black thread all the time, Nazar and all of that. You know how Indian mothers are. This is the only accessory besides a watch that I wear on my hand. I ordered a set of these bracelet charms, though I could not find the kind of stuff that I was looking for in terms of chunky bracelets, so that's something I will explore more and find. But for now I've ordered these. One is this one, so this is the first one. This is so pretty, guys. Check this out. This is such a pretty simple bracelet and it's so beautiful. I love delicate stuff, guys. So the third one looks like very delicate, very pretty. I love them. They came in a lot of designs. Like I think I should order like one of those evil eye ones. Those are also like very nice. I'll move on to the last piece of accessory, and that is also an earring. Pearls and me, guys. This is a very delicate piece of earring. Wow, this is also very delicate and pretty, guys. What do you guys think? It's got the hanging sort of a design with these small pearl balls. Very nice. I think it's really suiting me. I can't even decide which one I love the most or which one I do not like, because I'm somehow liking all of these. Especially when you have your hair on one side. That is something which I do very often. I feel these long dangling earrings look so pretty. It's completely dressed me up. With just a change of earrings, I have felt so dressed up, so glammed up. No amount of makeup can add this kind of a bling to your face that this is adding. So guys, this brings me to the end of this video. A huge Amazon affordable jewelry haul that I did. I love each and every accessory. Only thing that was missing from everything that I do up my hair, I do my makeup, but really accessories really change the way you look. And I'm really happy with everything that I've got. Please let me know if you have any other questions, guys. There's so much variety that you're spoiled for choices. There's so many different designs and they're all so affordable. They're so interesting, especially if you're starting off, and if you need variety, you should buy the affordable options first. Of course, there's no end to it. There's so many amazing brands. There's so many amazing jewelry options out there, and I will end up exploring those ones. I know I'm getting used to the idea of wearing so much of jewelry and accessories. After this, I'm really excited. I have opened up another avenue of shopping, which is not a very good thing. Big thumbs up to all these options from Amazon. Let me know which one you love the most. Please do comment down below, guys, of which one do you feel suits me the best. And please, guys, for all of you guys who have not yet subscribed to my channel, why are you not doing that? If you like my content, if you like the kind of videos that I put, please do subscribe to my channel. Really hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm really active there as well, and there's a different kind of content that goes out there as well. Let's connect on both these platforms. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and let me know if you have any other video requests. I'll be happy to do them. Bye guys, take care.